Estate planning is about planning for incapacity. If something should happen to you, who will take care of you, who will handle your healthcare decisions and your finances. And it's about planning for your death. Who's going to receive your assets, how they'll receive your assets, who will be in charge of those assets, and really about taking responsibility for taking care of your beneficiaries and for protecting them. One of the most common questions I get is for people who say, well, if I have a will, doesn't that mean I avoid probate? And the answer is no. The way it works is if you have any assets that are owned in your individual name that don't have a right of survivorship owner, that don't have a living beneficiary, or aren't in trust, they're going to have to go through the probate process with the court. The difference between having a will and not having a will is that if you have the will, you get to designate who's in charge of handling the probate, as well as where the assets go. If you don't have a will, you're still going through the same process, but it's going to follow state statute as to who receives the money. The best way to select an estate planning attorney is by asking for a referral from your friends and family. What kind of experience did they have with the attorney? If you're looking for somebody without a referral, then you want to look for somebody who has a lot of experience in both estate planning and probate. The more they've worked in the field, the more families they've seen and the different situations they've seen, and they'll know better how to respond to your individual situation to keep your family out of court and conflict. What sets me apart from other estate planning attorneys is, number one, I actually teach this to paralegal students for the last 11 years. But I have also had the experience of witnessing friends and family who have not done estate planning and the extremely tragic results that have occurred from there. In addition, special needs planning is so often overlooked. I myself have a special needs child, and it's near and dear to my heart because I'm very cognizant of the importance of that planning.